Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the 5-Minute English Teacher, where we break down big ideas really fast. Today we're talking about finding a theme, the step-by-step process that you could take every single time to try to find the theme of a story. So let's get right into it. So here's the first step. You want to think big picture. So think about a topic. What is the topic that's being talked about most in the text? I'm thinking of a story that's really famous called Harrison Bergeron. And one of the things that they talk about a lot in this short story is this dystopian government ideal of equality. So everyone in the society is equal. So what's the big idea in this story? Equality. A couple of examples as well is justice, family, and fear. But remember from our last lecture, these aren't themes, these are topics. We then got to put it into like a single sentence that can be applied outside the story. So the first step of finding a theme, find the topic and ask what is addressed a lot throughout the text, and that'll lead you to the main topic. Then here's what you want to do. You want to ask, what about the topic? So in the Harrison Bergeron example that I gave you, equality. What does the author want you to know about equality? What does the author want you to know about justice? What does he want you to know about family? So take that big topic idea and break it down a little bit further. What about the topic is so significant? How does the story treat this topic? What message is being sent from the author about this topic? And then we're starting to hone in on the theme. So, third, you want to write or just think about a theme statement. So remember, a theme cannot be one word. It cannot be a summary. It needs to be written in the form of a complete sentence, and it needs to apply to life outside the story. So, after we've done the first two steps, the third step is you want to write it in a sentence form. Okay? So here's the topic, right? Bravery. Say you've thought about a story and you really see the topic of bravery being addressed. The theme then would be true bravery means doing what's right, even when you're afraid. So, we took that singular word topic. We broke it down into something more like a full and complete sentence that's a moral or lesson that we can apply outside the story. So that's step number 3. So here's another example. Think about the story of the Ugly Duckling. Everybody knows the story. It's a famous story, and it's really about belonging. So the big picture topic I'm thinking about is belonging. The whole story, the little duck, all he wants to do is belong, right? Then I ask myself, what message does the author give us about belonging? And I think the story is about belonging to a group is not as important as valuing yourself or who you truly are, right? So we get that notion of identity is more important than trying to just fit in with the crowd. That's kind of what we learned from the Ugly Duckling. So we have that moral or truth or lesson about belonging that the author is conveying. So I hope this lesson was important to you and it was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure you like and subscribe. And also, teachers, if you want this lecture and student resources to go with it, visit my TPT store down in the description. I'll see you next time. Bye.